Retrieval lengths after processing. During regular processing, there is a situation where the rejected materials exceed the slotting position. When there is a situation of slotting without cutting, or even abnormal material jamming occurs, please follow the following operation procedure. First, ensure that the material is placed in a position that is level with the cutting edge before processing. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Processing Parameters. Adjust the value for the return material. The smaller the value, the shorter the material return. Click Save. Select the shorter path for the test. After multiple adjustments, until the length of the front and waist is more than or equal to 10 mm. Debugging completed. Replace the blade and adjust the slot depth. Cut off the supply of compressed gas. Release the remaining compressed gas. Loosen the 4 locking screws on the slot component. Remove the handle and replace the blade. Insert into the handle and align with the left limit. Press the handle of the knife firmly to ensure it is tightly against the surface of the material. At the same time, tighten the top screws on the top. Lower the plane cutting tool assembly to make it cut the surface of the material. Observe and determine the depth of the slotting. The depth can be adjusted repeatedly until it meets the standard. Tighten all the set screws. Remove the material from the slot position. Connect the compressed gas. Place the material at the slotting position. In the software installation process, click on Slotting Test tool. Test the complete depth of the slotting. Slot origin or arrive sensor abnormal. Software pop-up window appears during regular processing. The slotted origin or arrive limit does not trigger. Please follow the following operation procedure. Click Cancel to stop the processing. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Board Settings, I/O Settings. Open the front door of the aircraft body. Inspect the slot sensor corresponding to the origin and arrive of the sensor on the upper and lower parts. Bring the magnet close to the faulty port. At the same time, observe the corresponding ports of the software. If the sensor light comes on, the port has been changed to green. Indicates sensor misalignment. Loosen the top screw. Adjust the position of the sensor until the light turns on. Tighten the locking screw to fix the position of the sensor. If the sensor light is not on, the corresponding port does not respond, indicate sensor failure. It needs to be replaced in time. If it is not possible to replace it within a short period of time, temporary solutions can be adopted. First, uncheck the Enable Faulty Port option. Click Save. Click Slot Test. Observe the slotting situation. If the slot is not properly cut, or if it remains lowered for an excessively long time, please follow the operation procedures below. Click Parameters in the menu bar, Processing Parameters. Change the parameter of the cylinder slotting interval time. Click Save. Click Slot Test. After debugging until the complete slotting is achieved and the intervals are appropriate. Temporary measures to avoid prolonged use. There is a high possibility of safety hazards such as not making grooves or getting stuck materials. Prioritize replacing the faulty sensors.